Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Organized by Darcy, where we take the simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today's video is in a series on travel. But before we get started, I'll ask that you take just a couple seconds and press that subscribe button below so you can become a part of this community. I'd love to have you as we go traveling, you and I that is. So as we did last year when we went to Europe, let's get started. But before we get started, to travel that is, we need to start packing. So let's get packing, you and I that is. So as we did last year when we went traveling, the first thing that I did was I made a list of all the things that I needed to take. And so I made my list today. And what I've done is I've rolled and folded most of the clothes already. And they are all ready to be put in the suitcase. So I'll show you, those were my clothes that I've folded, rolled. Some are folded, some are rolled. These are my husband's clothes that I've folded and rolled. These are some things I just picked up at the cleaners today. And these are the rest of the clothes that we have put together for this trip. Now I also have the suitcase ready here. And I haven't put all the things in the suitcases. I haven't put anything in the suitcase for that matter. But everything is right here on the floor in this little area here. And the suitcase we're ready to put things in. Now for myself, because we're going to Europe, actually you and I are going to Paris, France, that is, and then we're going to Switzerland, and then of course to Venice, Italy, among other places. So with the Copperstone, I've taken these boots last year and I wore them for 3 weeks in Paris and they were just perfect. So I'm taking those shoes again, plus one other pair of shoes, plus what I'm wearing. What I have in my suitcase, I'm taking 2 suitcases, a carry-on and a large suitcase. A large suitcase will have both my husband and myself clothes, and the small one will be the clothes that we're taking in with us on the plane, just in case our suitcase, for whatever reason, does not get there with us. So it's pretty much what you see here that I'll put together, plus the other things on the other area there that we'll all put in the 2 suitcases, and then we're ready to take that trip. So hopefully we'll have everything organized and packed in the suitcases. I tried to get one of those containers, or a couple of those containers that I had last time that we were able to pack the things in. I'd given the last ones away, and of course they didn't have them at Target when I went looking for them, so we'll just make do with what we have. So those are the things that we're going to be packing for 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks that is, in Paris, Switzerland, Paris, France, Switzerland, and of course, Venice, Italy. So again, I'll ask that you subscribe to my channel so you can follow me along, or we can travel together, that is, and then make your comments as usual, and I'll always respond to your comments and share with your friends. But let's get packing and let's get started on our trip. Again, have a great day. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye and good luck.